let's just unpack now umngozi ohlezi usilandelana uma ngabe singawu-avoid. UDr Monisa nomuntu wakhe uMinnie Dlamini allegedly bahlukene because how it happened was kuma-Instagram wabo there are pictures umuntu nomuntu ususile. uMinnie Dlamini took out all the pictures ano-brothers ngapha. Into eziso ziphela njengomlilo wamaphepha. Exactly how they had started. Phela sekukhalwa ungazi ukuthi why. Hayi ukuthi sasithi fanele bahlukane, fanele bangabi right. But nje indlela okwakuyiyona nangendlela how it started. Just doesn't end well, guys. Hope ba right bobawu-2. Ukubona? Yeah, hopefully bazoba strong, babe right. Bathole amanye ama-partners someday, one day azobajabulisa. Hayi lento le. Cause what's crazy is that right, kuhanjwa when Minnie won the award, babehamba together, they went to some holidays, some safari. It was nice, guys. Kuvele kuphela guys mina ngivele ngixakeke manje ukuthi sesixatshaniswe yini. And then sengithule futhi manje nisasitshela angithi nani sitshelile khathi ngitshola. But not necessarily ithina ondaba esasibhizi ney'ndaba zenu. What can we do? Because you put it out there, buka manje futhi it ended in tears now. Sesontutuza kanjani-ke ukuyibona leyo nto. Guys, futhi lezi zinto zomjolo uyanyisa. Ngapha uMamkhize uShawn uhoha lesikempe kaMokibo. Yeah, all those people were not there for me when I was down and out. Obviously, I mean, that's not how she put it, but yeah, when I was down and out, losing my things, really, yadayiswa, khona abantu were not there for me. Yabona-ke guys-ke, that's when you see fake friends-ke. And ngiyatshela ama-fake friends, it's crazy how they are the ones abahlale phambili, bedla imali yakho. Baphi manje? They were not there. Umuntu ongathi wabonakala uzinhle was seen writing something uthi Nkosi yami uMamkhize, Nkosi yami ngathi angaba right, because she was in the show at some stage party yakhe naye DJ somewhere, and then she had some party uMamkhize wamshowa in a show yakhe uMamkhize, her own show on TV. So I'm a fake friends, guys. I tell you, abona makuthiwa when days are dark, friends are few. Kusho uMamkhize-ke lapho. uMamkhize happened to her. Ikanjani. The friends were so few. There was no one actually. Literal. I think only family yakhe was there for her. Kudabukisa. So she has healed so quick. I was like, guys, how can you heal so quick? It's very quick. Royal AM was just auctioned about 2 weeks ago. A lot has happened before and after that, but you have healed because she was seen dancing jabulile. I'm just like, take your time. Don't do this to yourself. I've healed so quick. So I think bayekhuluma ngama-fake friends mhlambe ku-top 3 uSomizi mhlambe ukhona lapho naye. Angwazi-ke amanye. Ngoba uSomizi mina ngazi ngibona maybe he did call her on the side, but uthe mina-ke on my table, all those people who were not there for me, I'm done with them. They'll never sit with me again in my table. Angibafuni. So yabona-ke guys ukuthi indaba zama-fake friends zinjani. Ziyahlupha. Phela njengoba usuke ubona umlilo wamaphepha. Phela ngathi manje. Phela umlilo wamaphepha takes like a minute and it's done. Oratile had a video nje where she spoke really well, guys. Oh my gosh. Yabo nje futhi manje uyitshela ukuthi you know what? This is how I'm going to carry myself. Bantu bakhuluma basibakhathale lalela. I don't care. Oh my gosh, she was so beautiful. She was like, thank you so much for abantu nje who were there for me after my husband's passing, and labantu babemsiza, I guess maybe the funeral parlor and all of that. People who were just there for her because she was just in some dingy place that time. Ngapha udonswa abantu bakaMabitsela, ngapha abantu babhizi basho yazini. She was like, you know what, thank you so much ngoba you were there for me. nezinto nje nangenzela zona after my husband's passing. Guys, uthi husband nibabhizi ngapha kamabhitheli bathi ayisuka engashadile loyo sizohlangana naye ikhotsi base bemdivosile. Guys, it was a process. Divorce is a process. So how does it happen overnight? Guys, ingabo ingena iy'ndaba zabantu abawu-2. Mina yazi ngiyibonile yabo indaba zabantu abawu-2 nje. Ungabo ingena. You know where I saw ukuthi you can't do that to yourself. Ungena ney'ndaba zabantu that have nothing whatsoever to do with you. Ngibone ngayo Ratile. You know when 2 weeks before he unalived himself, this guy, you know ukuthi babe nephathi twins. These people were together at some stage. And you know what's crazy about them though? You're still staying in the same house. Just two brothers behambela nabantu bakhe eyivakashele and stuff like that. He went to Paris at some stage, to Paris. No sisters lo. Also umngani kaMzala. Amkhumula umzala kaMzala. Umzala ka Lihloholo noMabitsela indoda ka Ratile. Basa nkosami angikaze ngiyibone i-fake friendship enjengaleyo ke mina. Baphuma kuma-Instagram taking videos together. I'm just like, sisi, you a mistress. Please stop. You know? Usaqhubeka. Ufuna ukube imistress eyaziwayo. After umuntu eseshonile. We don't care about those things then. They don't do anything for us. As it says, soon they're gonna fade. Go to Ratile Gaza fade. She'll always be connected to le anto yokuthini wayishade no brothers. Ulihloholo noMabitsela. When sokubiza bani in 5 years time? uMakhwapheni sesikubona nje ithombeni eziwu-3 ezobe sesele ku-Instagram in 5 years time. You'll be like, wena uMakhwapheni ka Lihloholo noMabitsela. Ubhizi-ke no-anti ka-anti umzala lo wayethe wena sisi wayishadla ama-stripes esho uRatile. Sesizokubona ecourt. Guys, that's not right. It's so wrong in so many ways. Uyabona the way she's carrying herself, uRatile. I think this time ngimthanda kakhulu than before. Because mina vele after they were trashing her on the Mami Club, she will always be my favorite. Crazy enough. I'm just like, nami ngenwe yini. But I like her, guys. What must happen? They still do. So the people who were helping her with the burial, she bought them a present. Washinje ukuthi consider it. You came to my home. You took time to be there for me when I was finished, basically. I couldn't even do anything. You helped me through, you know? Yeah, Shami, about the cattle funerals, the first time I saw it Nam was in some funeral in May last year. Bayawenza umsebenzi wabo ngapha RTPS. They do their job. So babongile, it's the same people. I'm just like, no, they're actually the best. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me in my channel. Later, guys. Uyazazi ziningi. I appreciate you. Thank you.